Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Thursday, 9 April. We're sponsored by WAC Architectural, brilliant style built for projects. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. There is a test site in Canada where the city replaced a few LED streetlights with low pressure sodium. This technology originated in the 1930s, and I'm not a fan. Read my article at edisonreport.com. Genlight Solutions expanded sales representation. Sesco Lighting now covers Kentucky, while CT Lighting and Controls serves Colorado and Wyoming, providing full access to Genlight's portfolio and key brands for regional projects. Read more at edisonreport.com. Joining CEDIA before registering unlocks free show floor access, education discounts, and exclusive perks alongside networking, hands-on demos, and a new early September schedule. Pharaoh's Architectural Controls upgraded Sweden's first designed power line pole with dynamic lighting controls, enabling customizable, seasonally responsive effects that transform the 32-meter structure into a functional landmark and artistic beacon. Yesterday, the Dow was up 1,325 points. NASDAQ gained 617 on news that the Strait of Hormuz is open. Let's hope it stays that way. Acuity gained almost 5%. Penguin, AMS Osram, and Dialight were up more than 7%. Legrand gained 8.5%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.